Happy birthday, Ina.
Thank you.
Oh my god. I wanted to send you something, but it's like I wanted to make it a surprise, but then I'm like, I actually feel like I need to ask you before sending it to you.
Oh, what is it?
It's cheesecake. Like, okay, I know you will really, it's like the best cheesecake I've ever had. But I feel like I need to ask you because sometimes where it's like, I know, with us, especially with what we've been experiencing recently, I feel like I need to ask, like, if you it's not that big. It's like, it's pretty small, but if you really want to like, I just,
How about we do this? We're gonna hang out
okay.
and we're gonna partake that cheesecake together. So we're both guilty.
Okay.
End of flashback.
This is the Latau.
Oh, I know Latau.
Yes, this is the cheesecake. You know what's bad when it says fromage double? Fromage double! Bruh. I'm so sorry. It's so good.
Itadakimasu.
Like the fact that I didn't even bring a knife, I've just brought 2 forks.
Oh, so soft.
It's so good.
Sorry, don't look PT
Don't look
sensei.
PT Sensei.
I went PT yesterday, so I'm in pain. I like how it's so different how you eat and how I eat.
Wait, we can take a picture. I don't understand what's so bad about my side.
It's like, normal human, rat. The beauty of eating desserts like this, like you cut it into like really nice pieces.
Yeah, I cut mine into really nice pieces, bro.
Really nice is subjective.
Okay, it would have eventually been that clean, okay? It's fine.
Mhm.
It's got the staircase pattern happening.
It's the natural erosion of just like the rocks, the mountains. Mine is the man-made tunnel cut, and yours is the natural erosion from over time. Is that a cheesecake or a pension? You see the layers of different rock formations? That's right.
No!
Exquisite.
No! The grand cake yet?
Every freaking time, Ina. Every freaking time, I swear.
Can we get a cake core sample? Oh no! Show us the base side. Wait, it looks so bad if you take it right.
No, it looks natural. It looks like the Grand Canyon.
Okay, can you take?
It's beautiful. It's so natural.
The more you look at it, the more confused I get. You can see the indentations of my fork. It's
Rodent behavior.
it's natural.